Are you finding it difficult to cope? Need someone to take care of the cleaning for you? Maybe you have a stressful job where you work long hours, or perhaps life is hectic because you have a growing family with competing needs on your time. Maybe you simply can't do all the things that you used to be able to do. The answer is simple. Diamond Home Support, an established leader in professional domestic cleaning solutions. Whether you're looking for regular, weekly or fortnightly cleaning, we have the right person to help you. We work closely with each and every client to get an understanding of what your home requires, with fully tailored quotes to suit your needs. And this all comes at an exceptional value with your satisfaction guaranteed. All of our cleaners are local to you, vetted and insured for your peace of mind. And you'll always have the same cleaner for every visit so that they get to know you and your home. Diamond Home Support has been established for over 12 years, and you can read our exceptional 5-star reviews on Trustpilot from the many happy clients we serve. But there's more to Diamond Home Support than just our great service and affordable prices. What makes us different? Our team brings a personal touch and focuses on the needs of every client as an individual. We don't assume to know what's important to you. We don't assume to know your needs. We listen and deliver the service that meets your requirements. In a word, we care. We're happy when your home is spotless, and that dedication is why we've been a staple in the industry since our inception. So, stop struggling alone and get control back in your life. Remember, it's Diamond Home Support that can help you with your cleaning needs with uncompromising quality and value for money. When you're ready, get in touch and we'd love to help. Diamond Home Support, giving you back the time in your life.